Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Abdul Muiz and you are watching Pro Lectures. So, as I have told you in the last video that in the next video I will be discussing about the introduction to physics and about physics introduction and with the some other branches of sciences and other subjects which are related to physics. So, let's get started. So, first of all, it is introduction to physics and definition of physics. So, actually, the word physics came from a Greek word that was physika, which means nature. So, we can say easily that the study of nature is called physics. Basically, nature have two meanings. The first meaning is natural world. It includes all the satellite, planets, star, galaxy, black hole, and even the whole universe. And the second meaning is basic properties. So we can say that other meaning of nature is basic properties of object like mass, charge, color, etc. So as I've also told you in the last video that man has always been curious to know how and why behind the working and function of every phenomena. Like how did the universe begin, why things fall, what is in the black hole, why moon seem to change its shape during the month. So to the answer of all these type of questions about nature we need to study physics. Definition of physics is a branch of science in which we study about physical properties of matter, energy and their mutual relationship. Is called physics. So what is matter? Matter is anything. You can say each and everything or anything that have mass and can occupy space is called matter. So examples are solid, liquid, gas, plasma, quark, glucon, degenerate matters. So these are the some states of matter. So what is energy? Energy is the ability of an object to do work like light, sound, chemical energy, mechanical energy, kinetic energy, etc. So these are some forms of energy. So what is the actual relationship between matter and energy? Relationship between matter and energy is that matter can be converted into energy and energy can be converted into matter. So according to matter energy equation, E is equal to mc square. Here E is known as energy and m is mass and c square is a constant value, that is c is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 power 8 meter per second. We can also say c square is the speed of light. So this relation is used to get energy from matter when it is completely converted into energy. Example, we cannot use this relation to obtain energy from chemical reaction like burning of wood. So in this way energy obtained from a small mass is too much. So 1 kg of mass can be converted into 9 multiplied by 10 power 16 kg a meter square per second square. So we can say that when we convert 1 kg matter completely into energy, so we can obtain a lot of energy by converting 1 kg uranium completely into energy as much as we obtain by burning as 3 million tons of coals. So we can say that if according to an equation, if we convert 1 kg mass into energy, we can get a large number of energy. And according to chemistry, if we just burn 3 million tons of coal, so the energy according to chemistry which we obtain and the energy according to physics which we obtain by 1 kg and by 3 million ton is equal. So now let's move to our second topic, that is physics, role of physics in other sciences. So we can say that physics cover a wide range of phenomena from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies and the universe. Role of physics in other sciences are physics and mathematics. Mathematics is the best way and the easiest way to express any physical phenomena. Like there are no simpler and more fundamental way other than mathematics to explain the physical processes. And it is said that about 400 years ago, mathematics was incorporated with physics, mean that mathematics was 400 years ago combined with physics. So, what are the advantages of using maths in physics? When we write any physical phenomena in mathematical form, it becomes more easy to understand. Secondly, concepts become more clear when we write in mathematical form. It do not have multiple meanings. It is easy to prove or disprove the process written in mathematical form. So we can say that mathematics is the language of physics. Now, physics and sciences. Physical method and physics explain all the fundamental laws of the universe and introduces important concepts that are required for study in other branches of sciences. For example, chemistry, biology, agriculture, medicine, geology, astronomy, engineer, and many other. That is why we can say that physics provide root for every field of science. We can say that physics provide root for every field of science. Let me give you an example. In the field of medicine, we use X-ray, CT scan, and MRI, and PET, etc. And all of these are the invention of physics. And second example is like in agriculture, physics is used to study the growth of different plants. So, in general, we can say that physics provide basic information in almost every field of science. So, this was the part 1 of Introduction to Physics. The other part will also be uploaded. So, thank you for watching. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.